How to create an AI project with Google Antigravity. First, download and install Google Antigravity on your Windows, Mac, or supported Linux computer. Then sign in with your Google account. Antigravity is a desktop agentic development platform designed to help you build software with AI agents. Next, open Antigravity and click File, then choose Creates Project. Select the folder where you want your AI project to be created. You can also add multiple folders if your project has separate front-end and back-end files. Now, start a new conversation and describe exactly what you want to build. For example, type, "Create an AI chatbot website that uses Gemini with a modern interface and chat history." Antigravity will analyze your request, create an implementation plan, and can then generate the required code and project files. Review the plan and type in the prompt box, "Proceed with the implementation plan," and generate code. Google Antigravity automatically built your code. The AI agent can then work on the project, test it, and provide artifacts such as screenshots and code changes for you to review. That's it. You've created your first AI project with Google Antigravity. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more AI tools, coding tutorials, and productivity guides.